Welcome back to the Nerdizeum. I'll talk to you a little bit about the Matrix series. If you don't know much about the Matrix series, you can find them anywhere nowadays. Look at that, even at Ollie's for $4. That's Revolutions. It's the 3-movie series that starts with Matrix, of course, that came out in 1999, and then went on to the other 2 that go with this in the series, and then on to Matrix, the animated version. The Animatrix is what they've called it. And I remember when the Animatrix came out, we thought that was the most cutting edge thing ever. The Matrix itself was cutting edge with the way the videography and everything worked. Such a great series. And now there's a new Matrix coming out. And so we thought it was done with this one. But now there's a new Matrix coming out, and with that new Matrix coming out, maybe you want to revisit the Matrix series. Maybe you want to see everything and see all of its reboot or whatever. Here's my encouragement. If you've never, ever had any experience with the Matrix, I want to encourage you to watch the Matrix first, and of course the other 2 videos. Add into it watching the Animatrix before the end, which is awesome. I own all that series. And then on top of it, here's what I want to bring in, my Matrix comics. And so, guys, Nerd Chic, you know we try to make entertainment awesome. This is super important for how it all works. So if you really want to have the most experience out of the Matrix, then my encouragement is get the Matrix comics. See if you can still get this. It's the Matrix comics, and it's number 1. And it is an entire series that brings into perspective the Matrix itself. So this precedes the Matrix. You've got the Matrix right here. It really fills in the blanks. You've got the Matrix Comics Volume 2, and it's another one. It's kind of like, imagine the Animatrix and it being filled in through here. It's all these different artists and all these different folks and styles, and they put all their stuff together, and it gives you a different look at it. And then right before the movie, there was this bad boy right here. Now, this is highly collectible and hard to find, but this is the Matrix comic that was given out when the movie came out, and it gives background on the Matrix movie as well. So I had to collect this. This is in pristine edition, but if you're able to, maybe you can find it on Comixology or in a digital form. This is the prequel comic that came out for those who visited the premiere, went to an early showing of The Matrix. They gave it away at the movie. And then you can really probably get this one better. It's, of course, you can find it. I found it on Thrift Books years ago, thriftbooks.com. But it's the Matrix Comics Volume 2 and the Matrix Comics Volume 1. All of these make the larger series make sense. Then you've got the Matrix movies that goes through the trilogy with Revolutions. And then you've also got the Animatrix. I want to encourage you to do all of it. So before the Matrix comes out, this newest one, this next couple years, if you can, I would check out these 2, then this, then the trilogy and the Animatrix, and then go see the movie. And that's just my 2 cents on how to see the Matrix in a better order and get a fuller picture of the whole thing. You guys, thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Of course, you can get these movies now on digital form, which is awesome. But whatever you do, go get them and get in the know before you go see the latest Matrix that's coming out. So thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Don't forget to subscribe. Go to our website at askthenerd.net. We've got a subreddit now called the Nerdiverse. I'd love to have you join there in our community. Got a ton of other things going on, like our NFT drops and everything else. Just keep your eyeballs open. Don't miss out, and be sure to subscribe because so much more coming with Nerd Chic and the Nerdiverse.